Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a slight little haul for you all. And the first thing in this haul that we're going to talk about is these gloves. So as you can tell, they're like these purple metallic sort of gloves, and not even metallic, they're like a pearlescent glove. And as you can see, they kind of inspired the theme for this video with the colors. But let me just start by saying I really love these gloves. I like how they look different than just from the regular like standard blue gloves, because personally I don't really like those. I feel like they're so basic and everyone has those. They're so easy to pick up. But these are just so cute, and you know, I don't know. They're just, and purple's my favorite color, so of course maybe I'm a little biased, but I just love them. But in case you want to pick up some gloves like these, I got them from Color Track, as you can see right here on the name. And essentially they're nitrile gloves, and I got them in the color Lilac Frost. And they do come in a couple different colors. So they come in like a black color, I think they have them in like a neon green, a silver, and then also a gold color. So they have them quite a few colors. If you're looking for some really cute gloves, just check them out. And they always do have coupon codes, so yeah. And then I think I paid $15 per box, and it's 100 gloves in each pack. But I also had a coupon code, so I actually paid less than 15. I think I had like a 20% off coupon code, so I don't remember how much exactly I paid, but it was 30 and then 20% off, and you know, plus the shipping fee. So yeah. Okay. Alright, and then next up I have some stuff from Nail Supply Glamour. So the first thing I picked up was this KDS Nail Glue, and I got a 50 nail glues for, I was $21. I am going to count these in a little bit to make sure I actually did get 50, but yeah, so that's what I got here, because I love the KDS Nail Glue. If you can get your hands on these, definitely get them. They're actually a lot cheaper on Nail Supply Glamour than they are on Amazon, so I do suggest you buy from there. Okay. The next things I got from Nail Supply Glamour were these little decals. So I got these. They're like this little, it's like little letters that are like kind of foiled. It's like an old English font. I don't know how y'all can see the English font, but yeah, it's like an old English font. And I got them in pink. I also got it like this purpley blue color. So yeah, and I got 2 of each of those. Okay, and then next I got like these really cute pink fonts, and I thought this would be cute, like maybe like some Barbie nails, or I don't know, something, I don't know, like a really cute pink set. So I feel like I will probably use that for that. And then each of these, I want to say they're like $5 each, $3 or $5 each, I can't remember exactly, but I'll be sure to link them. I also got the same letters, but I just got them in silver as well, because I have this really pretty glitter from Nail House, and you'll see that in the next part, in part 2 of this haul, assuming I get here by Friday. But if not, then I'll just do it whenever you guys, you know, you see it. Okay, and then lastly I just got a couple different butterfly stickers. So this is one of them that I got. This is the second one, and there's just a third. Okay. Alright, and then the last thing that I did get was the Kiara Sky. I got her dip kit, and it came with, hold on, you all really can't see because of this thing's in the way. Just take it out of the package. There's just a little, it's like a little step-by-step guide that was at the bottom that it comes with. And I'll be doing a more in-depth sort of review of this once I do the nails, like a set of dip nails. But for right now, just gonna show you all what came in the kit. So it came with its bonder. So it came with the bond. In addition, there is the base. My camera does not want to focus. Okay, yeah, it came with the base. It came with the Seal and Protect. I don't know what's going on, y'all. It just does not want to focus. Okay, Seal and Protect. The top. Nourish oil. And the brush saver. It also came with little backup, like little brush applicators. So like the little pieces that go inside the brush, so you can replace those. I think because I see that I know that some people get some and then because they don't clean their brush well enough before they apply the top part gets ruined. So I think that's what that's about. But then it also came with a couple different colors. So it came with a natural color. Came with clear, prim and proper, hot damn, and superficial. Which I think is very pretty. I think it's really pretty gold. Okay. So that's all that came in the main part of the kit in this one box. Oh, it also came with a little tips and tricks instruction card and proper care. And y'all, Kiara's guys like the cutest packaging ever, I swear. Okay. And then up next I have the other part that came with it. So this is like their little dip powder. It's called a dip powder recycling system. So it looks like what you do is, let me open it up. Okay. So it looks like what happens is so say if my client has their finger right here, right? There's these little catcher trays. So it's like that. And I put the client's nail right there, and I'll take one of them. Okay, yeah, so I'll take the one on the bottom and I'll like grab it, and then I'll try to pour it on the nail like that. Right? And then once I do that and all the stuff has gotten landed in there, I guess you're supposed to take it and then pull the top part out and then go in and dip the rest of it back on the nail. So that way you don't waste powder. So it says scoop, pour, and catch. So I guess this is a little scooper. You pour it and you catch it in the bottom one, and then yeah, that's kind of how it works, which I think is pretty cool. And that pretty much is it for this first part of this haul. And like I said, I do have some other things coming. So once those things get here, I will be sure to go ahead and fill you guys in on that, and then just update with the second part of the haul. But until then, I hope you all have a good, I don't know, morning, afternoon, night, whatever time it is when you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.